Alright, just want to do a quick video on how to check your API to see if it's running. Alright, a lot of instances you might get an error message, and so we want to check to make sure that it's actually running and it has been set up and actually turned on. So what you want to do is you want to go to this address right here, console. I won't even read it. You can just pause it real quick, okay, and then make sure that that's in there, and then you're going to hit enter. What's important to make sure that you do here is that you make sure that you're logged into the correct email in which your signals are going to. Okay, so if you go highlight this little person over here, make sure that the email address is the same one that your signals have been provided in. All right, that's the API section that you want to be. Next is you want to make sure that this is you have a project listed in here. In this case, I only have one. It just so happens to be called FreedomBot from back in the day. But what you want to do is you want to come and click on Dashboard. When you click on Dashboard, right, if you have what's called enable Gmail API, and I'll show you what it's going to look like in just a second. Hold on. So here you go. If you come over here and again we click Dashboard, if you see this symbol, right? If you see this symbol, right, where it says click on Gmail API, if Gmail API is there on the screen, and I'll show you in just a second again. So instead of right here, instead of this showing, all right, you have the other screen, this one here. What you want to do is you want to click on it, and then once you click on it, make sure that you click enable. Okay, and it's going to take about a minute, and then that should let you know that the process is working. The second thing you want to do is you want to go to this address right here. You go ahead and pause it for a second so you can write it down. And once you go to this one, again, make sure that the email address is the one that's logged in for that specific, for your signals, okay? What you want to see is you want to see that it has access to that account, all right? It has access to that account. So if you've done those two things, you should be able to, not have any API issues, all right? So let's go ahead and see how that works out. And if you got any other further issues after that, then please contact us. Thank you.